How to buy USDT on the MEXC app. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open MEXC app on your device, then you can tap on markets. After you go to markets, you can see different type of cryptos like USDT, USDC, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and everything around here. So just go ahead and tap on USDT, and you can see there are a lot of symbols. Go ahead and tap on any symbols like Solana or Luna. After you tap on it, you can see the buy option at the bottom left hand side. Go ahead and tap on buy. So what you need to do now is select the quantity of it. You can see the limit option here as well. You can select the number of amount. You can then just go ahead and tap on buy sol or any symbols you have clicked. So after you do that, you can just go ahead and deposit some money. To do that, you can just go ahead and go to the wallets and tap on deposit. Then you can just go ahead and buy USDT on the MEXC app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.